Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you through on how to contact eBay support. First, all you need to do is to log in into your account and select onto the top choices the word help and contact. Now from here, all we need to do is to search a specific problem that we are facing right now. Like for example, I want to avail the return an item for a refund. This is the problem that I'm facing right now. Now, if you click on here, we can see here the quick tip and open a return request. From here, all you need to do is to select on open return request, or you can also open this icon onto the bottom right corner, wherein you need to specify the details on to your problem. For example, I need a refund. Enter the message, and all you need to do is to follow the prompt here. Like for example, I am a seller and I want to give a refund to a specific customers. And all we need to do is to find a specific details in order for them to solve the problem for us. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.